Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the question which was asked by a lot of my friends. They said why a lot of students or their children find it hard to achieve goal or achieve success in their life. And my answer was very simple. The answer is that a child is not given a choice to choose a career based on their own learning pattern or their passion, right? Their career is decided by the family, peer pressure. So they are influenced to choose a goal or a career instead of choosing a career based on their preferences and their passion. Now, in today's video, I'm going to particularly talk about the learning styles. Now, there are four kinds of learning styles which we as humans learn. So, first one is visual learning. So, for example, me myself, I've got a visual learning pattern. So, I see things. When I see things, I learn from it, and I can create images in my head, and I can store those images, and I can recall those images whenever I want. In that way, I can remember and recall information. Second type of learning style is auditory. Some people learn by hearing things, by hearing audios, or when they are sitting in a lecture, they are hearing and they have a visual, right? So auditory. Third kind of learning pattern is read and or write. Some people tend to learn by reading and writing, right? And four kind of learning pattern is kinesthetic. Kinesthetic is hands-on, right? So in some children, you will find that they have a combination of visual and auditory, visual, auditory and kinesthetic and read-write. So as a parent, it is a responsibility to find out what is the learning pattern of our kids. Once we have identified the learning pattern, then we need to find out, based on that learning pattern, what kind of jobs, career they can grow into. And then find out what kind of work their kids would enjoy, and do not force anything. Let them grow into it. Let them see where they stand. Let them experiment. I always say to my friends that if you've got a son or your daughter who is a teenager, let them experiment. Do not force anything. Let them find what they want to do based on their learning pattern and their passion. This is what we need to do. We need to provide them guidance. We need to help them identify the learning pattern and then identify what they're passionate about. Once we have identified that, then we can help them, guide them in the right path. Otherwise, what is the point of having a degree and earning a living where a person feels completely lost, person feels depressed? That is the reason why, if you see a lot of people who work in the industry from 9-to-5 job, they come to work, they go back home. They don't come to work and enjoy work. They come to work because they have to, they have no choice, right? And people who enjoy their work, you will see they are not on that level, they are on a different level, they are higher level. And you can see there are a lot of examples like that. You can take example of Steve Jobs, KFC. These people, they knew that this is not what we're going to learn in the classroom. What they're learning is not what they want to do. They found their own path. They got into it, and they're doing so well. So please, if you really want to help your kids, find the learning pattern, find what they're passionate about. Do not impose your own goal onto them. Do not impose what you want them to do. Find out what they want to do and then work accordingly with them. And that way you'll find that your child will find how to be happy and successful. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, like it. Please subscribe my channel and keep on watching. I'll be posting more videos about it. Thank you for watching.